Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Scripting and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use McDonald's gift card on Doordash. First of all, you need to open your app. Then you need to click the profile icon on the top right, or it will be on the bottom right menu, and go to your account settings. From here, you need to find gift cards option and click it. Now on the top right, you will see redeem button. You need to click it. And right here, you need to enter your gift cards code, PIN code. So after you will enter your McDonald's gift card code right here, you will redeem your gift card. Then you can go back. And once we have a McDonald's gift card redeemed, we can make an order and it should automatically apply the McDonald's gift card, guys. So you can just go to McDonald's and make an order and your gift card will be automatically applied, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.